how to send USDC from your Phantom wallet to your Metamask wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, I will provide a link in the description. Simply open that link up, then connect your wallet, both Phantom wallet and the Metamask wallet. You can do so by clicking over here, and after that select the Solana over here under the section of From, and under the section of To, select any of the network where you want to send the USDC on your Metamask. In this example, I want to send the USDC on Base. You can simply search for the network that you are looking for. So just do that, then type the amount that you want to send and click on send. And this way, after approving the transaction, you would be able to receive the USDC from your Phantom wallet to your Metamask wallet. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.